If you're looking for a quick and easy weeknight dinner idea, look no further than this delicious Bam Bam shrimp pasta salad. So cook up your favorite pasta and let's get started. In a large bowl, combine mayonnaise, Greek yogurt, sweet chili sauce, garlic, hot sauce, then some fresh lime juice, cilantro, parsley, and mix everything together until nice and smooth. Then add in your cooked pasta and make sure to toss it so it's all well coated. Just as it is, it would make an amazing salad for your next barbecue, but for now we're going to scoop some on a plate and top it with some beautifully cooked popcorn shrimp, and then sprinkle with some green onion and some more hot sauce. Sprinkle with some fresh parsley and you're ready to enjoy. I mean, look at this delicious bite of food. I tell you, you gotta find the recipe at frenchkisscook.com for all of the details. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.